Bonsai myths busted. Don't fall for these common mistakes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bonsai Barn. Have you ever heard that bonsai trees are just tiny versions of full-size trees? Or that they don't need much care because they're miniature? Today we're debunking some of the biggest bonsai myths that might be holding you back from growing a healthy, thriving tree. If you're passionate about bonsai and want to learn more about bonsai tree care, styling techniques, and seasonal maintenance, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now let's dive in. Myth number 1. Bonsai are a specific type of tree. A common misconception is that bonsai trees are a special species. In reality, bonsai are regular trees trained and pruned to remain small. Whether it's a maple, juniper, or ficus, almost any tree can become a bonsai with the right care. Myth number 2. Bonsai are indoor plants. Many believe that bonsai are meant to be kept indoors. However, most bonsai trees thrive outdoors, as they are regular trees that benefit from natural conditions. Only tropical and subtropical species, like ficus or jade, can adapt to indoor environments. Do you keep your bonsai indoors or outdoors? Myth number 3. Bonsai trees stop growing. Some think that bonsai, due to their size, stop growing. In truth, even in a tiny pot, your bonsai continues to grow, necessitating regular pruning to maintain its shape and size. Myth number 4. Bonsai are low maintenance. Bonsai may look simple, but they require regular care. This includes proper watering, fertilization, pruning, and repotting to keep your tree healthy. Factors like soil requirements, humidity needs, and light exposure all play a role in bonsai tree maintenance. What maintenance routine do you follow for your bonsai? Share your tips below. Final myth. Bonsai can live forever without care. While bonsai can live for many years with proper care, neglect can lead to their decline. Signs of an unhealthy bonsai include yellowing leaves, weak branches, or slow growth. Early detection and appropriate adjustments in care can help revive a struggling bonsai. Did any of these myths surprise you? Let me know in the comments. For more beginner bonsai tips and advanced techniques, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.